Senior Purukdos versus Waldak. Tropang driver. First quarter. Lamang ang Waldak, naka 3 points agad. Ewan ko siya naka 3 points. 3-0 pa lang ang score. 8 minutes, 19 seconds. Bah, surbol ah.
Grabe di.
Haba ah.
Foul. Basket. Basket again. Number 40, setting a play pass to number 30. Number 30, pinasa to number 55. Basket. Number 30, pass to number 14. Drives. Basket. Number 55, pull up. 3 points.
10-5, 10-5.
Number 0, setting up play. Pinasa, nice steal. Number 23, drives. Wala. Steal by number 55. Number 55. Basket.
Five.
Number 14. Pass to number 12. Basket. Remaining time 6 minutes. Number 8. Drives. Wala. Offensive rebound. Number 23. Wala. Number 12. Foul. Foul number 23.
Lag naman ang butik eh.
Number 23. First personal foul. First team foul. 3 points para number 10. Number 19 setting up play. Still by number 0. Number 0. Diretso. Wala. Rebound number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 15.
Baba.
Binalik. Wala. Rebound to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Tear drop. Wala. Nakakuha number 23. Nasa Dumira. Wala. Rebound by number 23 with offensive rebound.
Foul, counter.
Basket. Number 30, pass to number 40. Number 40, nagatang papasahan, pinilit, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Basket. Number 19, diretso. Basket.
Rera. Yan.
13. Setting up play. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Wala. A rebound by number 23. Number 23 pass to number 55. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, sumuot. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14, wala. Number 19, pass to number 23, basket. Number 14, crossover, pass to number 12. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, diretso. Rebound by number 23. Basket. Number 20. Pass to number 10. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 55. Pass to number 15. Basket.
Back na yata. Haba mo si Kano.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 24-12 in favor of Wildcat. Advanced substitution. Number 23. Wala. Number 14. Setting of play. Pass to number 12. 2 minutes remaining time. Number 14. 3 points.
Walang ka-celebrate eh. Seryoso, si Kuya Moso.
Number 19. Pinasa.
Oy, traveling violation.
Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 14. Powers. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 19. 19 pass number 55. Easy 2 points. Number 30. Na-steal. Number 19. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by number 14. 55 seconds remaining time. Number 14. Foul. 15 to shoot. Pass number 14. Three ball.
Ngayon.
Number 55. Pass to number 16. Basket. 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. Rebound by number 8. 20 seconds.
Number mo ng ano? Tres. Wala pang talo, Tres.
6 mo naman to.
Kahit na eh, walang talo ang
15
Tres.
seconds.
Di kita laban nyo dyan. Ano?
10 seconds.
Inyo na yun eh. Inyo na yung laban na yun eh. Kung ba't ba nagpatatalo pa kayo?
5 seconds.
58 seconds yata ilang bala mga nyo. Di ba tum-overtime na yung mga yan? Oh. Second quarter. Lamang ang Wild Duck.
Number 14. Fakes. Drives.
Uy.
Wala. Rebound by number 16. Number 8.
Pumasok na ang coach ng kay Tapos.
Pinasa sa wings.
Si
Number
Percival.
10. Wala. Number 12. Pass number 14. Bars. Wala. Number 18. Pass to number 10.
Lakas.
18.
Na-turnover
Pass to
din
number
ang
8.
Puroktos.
Number 8.
Outside.
Number 12. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 11. Pull up. Wala. Number 18. Pass to number 16. Easy 2 points. Number 13. Crossover moves. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 16. Steal by number 12. Number 12. Steal by number 21. Number 8. Derives. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 16. Basket. Number 12. Pass to number 30. 15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 8. Number 12, pass to number 14.
Good boy.
Number 18, pass to number 16. Traveling. Number 11. Pass to number 13, pass to number 12. Fires. Rebound by number 8. Number 18, pass to number 10 to number 21. Easy 2 points. Number 30, dribbling the ball, pass to number 16, pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 18, fast break play to number 10. Basket. Official score 36-18 in favor of Wildcat.
Kalahati.
Number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 30, fires. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 12. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 16. Basket. Number 11, crossover moves. First throw. Wala. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Nakuha number 30. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 pass to number 18. Number 18. Number 18 pass to number 8. Basket. Remaining time 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Official score 40-18 in favor of Wildcat. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Speed move. Wala. Na-rebound number 16. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 10. Basket. Number 12. Setting up play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12. Pass to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pass break play again to number 10. Basket.
6 points na.
Official score 44-18 in favor of Wildcat. Number 40, the Rise. Nakakuha ni number 8. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 18. Binalik. Basket
8 points
again.
na. 8 points.
Back-to-back points para kay number 10. Number 11. Fires. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 18 setting up play. Pass to number 21. Fires. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 10. Fires. Wala. Nakuha number 21. Basket. Number 12. The Rise. Basket. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. The Rise. Basket.
Wala pa
Official
rin.
score 48-22.
Wala yung magkapatid na
Number
pangilinan.
18. Pass to number 10. Fires. Wala. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Fakes. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Foul. Basket. Second throw. Basket again. Advance timeout. Kanto boys. Number 12. Fires. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Diretso.
Uy, nice pass.
Wala.
Nasa lang.
Put back. Basket.
Sayang.
Timeout. Purok do.
Renta na, lamang 52-22. Kulang-kulang kasi ang player ng DOS. Wala si Cueno. Magkapatid na pangalinan.
Number 14. Setting up play pass to number 11. Number 11. Lazy Rap. Wala. Basket again. Para ka number 11. Number 18, setting up play, pass to number 10, fires, air ball, and nakuha number 21, pinilagay number 18, 10 seconds on the shot clock, pass to number 10, teardrop, wala, nakuha ni number 30, pass to number 14, number 18, pass to number 16, pass to number 10, fires, wala, and rebound by number 30. Number 30, pass to number 12. Number 12, foul. Pass to number 12. To number 11, fakes. Pass to number 13. To number 16, pass. Wala. And the rebound by number 21. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to number 16. Wala. Number 12, pass to number 11. Number 11, drives, basket.
Kayod Marino na si... Paano to? Si Asas.
10 seconds. Number 14, drives. Wala. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18, in transition. Pass to number 17. Number 17 to number 16 to number 10.
Ganda na sa ano?
Wala. Na-rebound ni number 11. Number 11. Diretso, pass to number 12. Basket. 40 seconds remaining time. Number 16. Fake pass. Basket. 30 seconds remaining time. Number 11. Nakakuha ni number 18. 25 seconds remaining time. Binalik to number 10. Wala. 15 seconds. Nice steal. Basket by number 11. 5 seconds. End of the first half.
Nag-agawan pa magbayaw.
Pinasa. Fires. Offensive rebound. Basket. Basket by number 19. Number 11. Pass to number 14. Fires. Wala. And rebound by number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Nice steal to number 0. Number 0. Lace it up. Basket. Number 17, pass to number 55. Number 55, setting up play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 15, pass to number 8. Binalik kay number 55. Pass to number 19. Offensive rebound by number 8. Basket.
Wala nga yung mga yan eh. Si Unel, yan. Tsaka ito si Crisaldo. Wala nang nakalaban namin eh. Andyan si Herrera.
Binalik ulit.
Tamang balik, ang nangyari.
Number 55. Drives.
Turnover.
Setting up play, pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 10. To number
Si BJ ba yung player sa inyo?
10 seconds to shoot to number 0.
Si BJ yung
Wala.
player sa inyo.
Na-rebound din number 19. Number 19. Out the
Pero
pass
player.
to number 55. Basket. Number
Lalabing sa
10.
lamba.
Setting up play, pass to number 14.
Ay, oo, nagwatak-watak pala, ano?
Drives.
Tatlong team pala, ano.
Rebound by number 19. Number 19, diretso. Lace it up. Wala. Nakuha ni number 55 with offensive rebound. Pass to number 17. Basket.
Puno na naman ng laro. Ano ba?
Number 12,
Rest.
7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 0, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 11, speed move, fade away. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 19, diretso. Pass to number 15. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound by number 8.
Lakas tumalon na ni Miski malakatawan na yun.
Bina to. Kailangan natin crossover.
Sana lang.
Number 11, pass to number 10. Fires. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 55. Number 55. Pull up. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 12. Number 12, pass to number 14 to number 11 to number 12, basket. Number 19, pass to number 17, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8, drives, basket. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Crossover. Nakatikan, nakakuha ni number 8. Number 8, drives. Wala. Nakakuha number 55. Basket. Number 14, fakes. Drives. Wala. Naribaw ni number 19. Crossover. Number 19, pass to number 55. Basket by number 15.
Ganda rin ikot ng bola nila, ano?
Advance, timeout, purok dos.
Hindi rin kanya-kanya.
Number 12, pass to number 0. Number 12, pass to number 16 to number 11. Ready with their shot. Basket. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Crossover, pass to number 19. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 11. Number 11. Sumuot. An outlet pass. Number 12. Umikot, pass to number 14. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 17. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Sumuot, nilay sirap, basket! Basket count. Ball shot para number 55. Basket. Number 40. Pinasa number 11. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, fires. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 15. Number 15. Basket by number 19. Number 12 setting up play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 14. Fakes. Binalik. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 11, fires, wala. Number 8,
Jun.
easy 2 points.
Ano ba ang kalaban ng uno? Togama. Togama ba? Akala ko yung Tres.
Advanced substitution.
Maganda rin ang laban. Tres dos, ano?
Number 14, setting up play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 11 to number 12. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 11, fakes, fires. Wala. Nakakuha na number 19, pass to number 15 to number 55. Basket. Number 14, fires. 3 points. Number 19. Setting up play, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 19, drives, pass to number 55, fires. Wala. Nakuha ni number 11 with the rebound. Pass to number 12 to number 14. Fakes. Drives. Wala. Offensive rebound. Nakuha number 15. Pass to number 17. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 19. Fires. Wala. Number 16. Pass to number 14. Steal by number 55. Basket by number 55. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 11, setting up play, pass to number 14, fires. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 14, drives. Wala pa din. Offensive rebound again by number 14, basket. One minute remaining time. Pass to number 19. To number 17. Nice steal. Nakakuha ni number 17. Nakakuha ni number 12. Number 14. Fakes. Nice to number 17. To number 8. Number 8. Drives. Pass to number 55. Easy 2 points. 30 seconds remaining time.
Hindi na bumalik si Onel.
Number 0. Pull up jumper. Pass to number 15. Nakuha ni number 11. 15 seconds remaining time. Crossover. Nakuha ni number 0. 10 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds remaining time. Number 55. 3 points. End of the third quarter.
84-41. Laki ng lamang. 43 yata lamang. 43 nga.
Number 13. Pass to number 12. Fires. 3 points.
Fourth quarter na. Fourth quarter.
Number 16. Number 23 to number 18 to number 10. Fires. Offensive rebound by number 23. Nice steal number 11. Number 11. Direct to side step. Nakuha ni number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 30. Fires. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 11. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 14. Fakes. Drives. Wala. Number 16.
Napatawa naman ang misis ni John.
Number 12. Fires. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 14. Nakuha number 23. Outlet pass to number 16. Basket.
One fake and up.
Number 14. Drives.
Wala pa rin. Napakaalat ni Kuya Boss.
Number 23. Number 23. Pinasa. Pinalik. Pinasa kay number 10. 3 seconds. Violation.
Ooh.
Number 11, pass number 12 to number 10, fires. Wala. Number 23 to number 10.
Kamot naman si Bayaw eh.
Number 30, pass to number 11, ako number 12. Basket.
Napalalim.
Second throw. Basket again. Basket by number 23. Number 11. Pass to number 14. Advanced substitution. Number 14 fires. Na-rebound ni number 30. Pass to number 12. Fires. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 18.
Nauuntog pa sa baka.
Substitution.
Nagtalo pa magbayaw.
Number 40. Derives. Lace it up. Basket. Number 18. Pass to number 16. Derives. Basket. Number 10, fires. Wala. Nakuha number 11 with the offensive rebound. Na-rebound ni number 23. Pass number 18. Pass number 10. Wala. Nakuha number 23. Basket. Number 14, fakes. Number 14, pass to number 0, basket. He's stepping on the line. Number 14, fires. Wala. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, lace it up. Wala. Basket kay number 18. Number 14, derives. Basket. Number 18, pass to number 10, fires. Wala. Number 30, pass to number 14, derives. Basket. Back-to-back points para number 14. Seconds to shoot. Number 30, fires. Wala. Na-rebound. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, pinasa number 18, basket. Number 14, crossover, pass to number 0, basket. Number 10, pull-up jumper, wala. Na-rebound ni number 16, pinasa ni number 10. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha din number 11 on a rebound. Number 11, derives, pass to number 0. Nakakuha din number 10, pull-up jumper. Basket. Number 23, pass to number 10. Wala. Wala pa rin. Number 14, fires. Wala. Rebound by number 14 again. Nakakuha ni number 21. Number 21, pass to number 18. Number 18, wala. Nakakuha number 23. Nakakuha ni number 10. Fires. Number 0, pass to number 11. Basket. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 23, pass to number 16, step up, fires. Foul. Rebound by number 16, pass to number 10, lace it up, wala. Nakakuha niya ulit, pinasa. Number 11. Number 16, step back.
San Andres.
Number 14, lace it up. Basket. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 21. Wala. Nakuha ni number 11. Last 2 minutes. Number 21, pull up jumper. Wala. Nakuha number 16. Number 11. First throw. Wala. Second throw. Basket. Number 11, basket.
Umasis.
Basket. Number 10, fouls. Wala.
Sports game na, sports game.
Three points para kay number 10. 50 seconds remaining time. Number 11. Wala. Number 21. 35 seconds. Number 35. 3 points. 25 seconds.
Yan na. Sports game na. Final score.
End of the